Hey, another day, another repair. We have a front load Samsung washer making really loud noise on a spin cycle. So to do that, we need to take apart and we will replace the part which is the bearing. So to do that, we can start it. We can start it from here. Okay. We can remove these two. We can put it to the side. Alrighty. So once we're done, we can go. So I already removed the cover. We can remove this one. We talk about that one later on. We can push it back and take that one. So we can keep it flat. So the top not gonna be crooked. Alrighty. So these are gonna need to be removed. Dispenser and one here and this one. That's all good, no problems. You can just pinch this one down and remove the dispenser. So you can remove this one and slide it. Okay, and that's it. So once we do that, we can disconnect it. So we can put the control panel right there. So we can these 4 screws. So then we need to remove 3 underneath. We're gonna do it in a few seconds. So you can put some brake on, or you can tilt it. So we need to remove these 3 screws here. So I hold it with one hand, but you don't need to. So you can tilt it halfway, then remove those. Once we do that, we can slowly set it here. Now we can easily remove this one. If it's stuck, then no, it's not. Then if it was stuck, so you can need a flat screwdriver, pinch this one, and this is gonna pop up. So we can tilt this one a little more, and that's it. So we can set it there. And remove these. Okay. We're good though. We can remove this one and we can disconnect it. Just pinch it in. So we can remove it like this. Okay. have a wrong socket, so it's not a big deal. We can remove this one. We can set it to the side. Here we disconnect wires, pressure sensor, hose, everything, so we don't have anything connected to the drum. Then so now we can go and work on the motor. So we need to take that one, disconnect the wire, then we're able to remove that. But before we do that, so we need to remove suspensions rod, then we can take it off. Stay with me. Second percent, so hold it, or you can do it. This is how it works. So we need to remove here. Okay. We can pinch this one and we can take it out. Okay, so now we don't have any connection, any wire, and then we need to remove now the motor. So to do that, we can do one by one. So on the last one you can hold it. So we can just set it to the motor rod here, so be careful. So we can remove from here, okay, one here, but we still hook those springs, so we can this one and last one. So we can now gently take this one off. Skin. Okay. I can put it to now. Remove these two. Then we can able to remove the spring. Same thing here. Okay, so if you have a 2% or you have a jack, that's a different story, but since I'm do by myself, I'm just gonna lift it up. Okay, just slowly set it down. Then same way here, this is gonna be a little tough because a lot of pressure on it, so you have to lift it with one hand. Don't worry about those kind of noise, it's not a big deal. Well, I'm struggling here. There you go. So we can, this is our way, but we're able to do that one. So. Okay. Hold it. We need to rotate it, there you go. And we need to able to take this one off. So we need to remove these off. And going to be the last. Okay, we're now able to remove this one. We can put it to the side. So we make pot ready, and so you may need something put underneath because we're gonna tap it. And same time, so you can use it. I use this is a cracking drum in case you just use a bucket or something high, so you can get it, you can hit it. So you need a flat screwdriver, or if you have a tool, we can just tap this one. We now need to work on those. As you can see, these are the reason. So we can hit it now. Until that gets off. Alright, 1 hour later. It's not gonna be easy, as you guys see on video. So after, I can say, 25 minute hitting, so I just able to remove one of these. And so I use a lot these, but meanwhile, if you don't have, so these gonna be effective more in a long socket. These are gonna be great if you don't have that special tools. So same thing, is make you easy. So you just use a freeze off or CRC spray. That's help you a lot. And now I'm sorry, I wasn't able to show because it's gonna be long. So that's how I didn't expect to come, with the first try or 100 try. That's why. But so you have to just go around and hit it, so you can hit it few, see how it goes. Then I will keep going. That's how we can do. After few hit, check other side, see you see any difference or not. So if you saw a difference, that's a good sign. Then again, I'm going to use my socket. You see that one? Almost. Need to put my gloves on. So as you can see, the hard part was the rear one, but the front, this one is not gonna be difficult, because the most stock one, in my opinion, which I do a couple of times, gonna be the second one. But this one, after few hit, like 5 minutes or 4 minutes, I can say not more than that. So I can see the result is already, so a couple inches comes. So I'm just gonna keep doing. So let me grab this one, my socket. And that's it. So we take both. I'm gonna clean, get the new one ready, and we can put it back. Only thing which I suggest, so get a piece of wood. So we just need to go around, so we need to just tap it, so you don't need to inside, so everything outside. Be patient and keep doing. Or you can use this piece of wood, so we can go around. It take time, but same thing. So we can go, and So now, you know, the same way. So again, pay attention. You don't need to go, don't pass this plastic part or rubber part, so always around the edges, so we can hit it over and over until we can make level it, then we can go with the next one. So as you can see, the way I explain, you have just need some time, just be patient with it. I can say maybe 4 minutes, you know, you just have to be patient. So now we are level. But if you need any adjust, you know, you just put your hand, see which part, which end need. In my, this is a little bit right here. So now we good. Now we can flip it and work with the other end. We clean this one. So as you can see, so we can start. We can do same method. Go around, you know, take your time. When you pass, then we can use our socket. So the same place, we don't need to head inside. Okay, that's all good. As long as we get in, then there we go. To go until we get all the way down, then we can put we almost get through, but which is I'm doing, I just, you know, replace with socket, use this one, so that's how you have to do it. Just be, the only thing you need about the bearing, just be patient, and that's how you can, you know, take it off or put it. Okay, we always check underneath, so we still have, you know, room, so we can keep going. So as you put, so how to know it, so just put a finger, you will see the gap. So we almost done, so we now to put that but you know, same time you can put it this one, and just a quick thing, just bring to your attention. And now, so we can put everything back. We can go with this. Okay, so out. So now, so the element goes back there. We can put already. We can just last one. So now we can put it back. So To put it back, definitely I suggest you need a second person because these are going to be super heavy. So you're able to take it out, but to put it back you will struggle. It's possible, but I suggest use a second person. Or yeah, if you have a jack, that's a different story. So once we put those two, we can lock it now. Okay, so okay, now this is gonna be the, we can just put these are back. Okay, so just making sure we go this way. This is the reason we didn't take the suspension rod off, so we can put it easily back. Just stick it in and put the screw back. So we can do the same thing on the back. We can bring it. Okay, so we can bring this one up, lift it up, and hook it here. So I suggest do each one at a time, so you can get it. Again, if you guys have a different second person, that's going to be a different story. But so once we do that, we can hook this one and okay. So we're now able to put motor, and then we can work on wire in front. We put everything one by one. So we can put the motor rotor back. First draw way in, yes. Okay, and now we can put it. Then we can tighten it up and once we're done, we can connect it. Please work back. This one, sensor, we can stick it in. We can't now put that on back. Okay, and we almost done. Then we just need to put the rotor back. Okay, after 5 minutes try, so I'm able to put that one back. Now we can work on. So we put our balance back. We now need to put these screws back. Okay, 1, 2, and so on here. Then same thing at the other end. So we can put this screw back. we connect the hoses right here, and we're able to put the front now. Before I put, so make sure all wire hoses connected. The only important part was those suspension. The rest you can just take it and put it back. You can just put one screw here. If we miss the lid switch, still we can reach it here. So these two are for these two screws for lid switch, so the rest not a big deal. So if you mix it out, that's fine. So second, okay, so we can bring this one up, and now we're ready, so we can put the camera. So we disconnect this part wrong place, so that's why we was short on wire. So once we do that, so now we can adjust this one here. Okay. Once we adjusted, these all go underneath. We are not in. Alright, and now so we can put those screw back. Okay, so if you getting value from the video, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment if you have any question about the repair, and share with your friends. We can put this dispenser back, and we can do same thing. We can put those two screws. We take it in the first place. Alrighty. So we can work now on seal door, so we can put the spring back. So you may need a special tools, which I'm not gonna use it. So everything. So we can put the spring back now. Okay, just keep inside. Once we get, so we need this flat screwdriver. You don't need to punch your finger, but if you have tools, that's totally fine. And we officially done, and that's the difference. So before and after. So now we can put the cover back. On the top panel. And put the last one. So we can put these back. Alrighty, so we officially done, and thank you for watching, and see you on next videos.